Hi everyone, in today's video we will see can Beats Solo 3 be tracked? How to find your lost headphone with Find My and Bluetooth. So yes, the Beats Solo 3 headphone can be tracked using Apple Find My ecosystem, standard button tracking apps or iCloud. Because they feature Apple W1 chip, they integrate directly with iOS device through the lack built-in GPS and rely on the last known location where they were connected. Next, how to find your lost headphone with Find My and Bluetooth. Step 1, use Apple Find My AirPod and support Beats. So open the Find My app on the iPhone and iPad or the Mac. Now tap the device tab and select your headphone. If they are online, you will see their current location on the map. Tap play sound to make the earbuds beep if they are nearby. If they are offline, Find My may show their last known location or notify you when they are found. Supported airports can also be located through the Apple Find My network even after they disconnect. Step 2, use Android Find My Hub, the Find My device. So, if your headphones support Google Find Hub network, you can open the Find Hub and app or sign in through a web browser. Now, sign in with the Google account paired with your headphone and select your headphone from the device list. Now, view their current or last known location and follow the map to recover them if they are nearby. Now, step 3, check your Bluetooth connection. If your headphone does not support a tracking network, open your phone Bluetooth settings. If the headphone still shows are connected, they are usually within about 10 to 13 meters, depending on obstacles. So, walk around slowly while watching the Bluetooth connection. When the connection drop, move back forward and last area where they remained connected. Goodbye and thanks for watching.